you and Celine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So as you can see, I have a new setup. I moved. I'm in my finished basement, but it's like a dungeon. So today I'm doing a wig review. This is a headband wig. I got this off of Amazon. This is a ombre 1B27, I believe, but to me it looks more like a 30. I did put toner on here to tone it down. To me it didn't really do much. I was trying to get it to be like a blonde color, but anyway, let's jump into the deets on this wig and let's get into. So if you are new, thank you for checking me out, and to my return subscribers, hey girl, nice to see you. I hope everything is going well. So this comb comes with a, oh my god. So this wig comes with a comb in the middle, and then there's a comb on the side, and then there's also another comb in the back, and then it comes with the straps right here. So the wig that I have is a 22 inch. It is a 150 density. This is how long it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. So this is how I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna first put the middle clip in first, then the side, and I'm gonna stick in the other side. And to me, in my opinion, I don't believe that these combs will make your hair fall out. Like, I don't see it. But it depends. We all have different types of hair, sensitivities. I don't know. It just depends, I guess. Back. Pop in. So just like the last hair wig review, the last wig was very, very full. To me, they stated it was a 280 density. I think it was more like a 180 or probably 200, but it was a lot of hair. Compared to this one, it's like, it's not thin at all. This is like the perfect density. This is all the hair to the front. It is the perfect density. So I'm gonna like try to put it in style so I can show you guys the different styles you can rock with her. Poppin'. All right, and then also you can do that bun and whatnot. Let me show you guys. Y'all see that? Y'all can do that as well. Let's see, what else can y'all do? Y'all know what all y'all can do. But let me go ahead and show y'all some more styles. Poppin'. What you talking about, girl? And then of course, you can also do my favorite style that I do when I go to work. The bun. The high bun. I love the high bun. Cute. Let me show you guys the back. And I need to clean my kitchen. So if y'all see that, like, I need to shade it. So right now, this is my favorite wig because the density is just so perfect. The ombre on here is just perfect. It's nice. So let's get into the specs on here, and I'll be out you guys' hair. So the texture that I bought this in is supposed to have been, this is a yaki straight, but to me it's not really, it's yaki, but it has natural crinkles in it, which I am not complaining at all. I really like how it looks. I cannot wait to go out and get the burgundy one, but I will have it linked in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig. Like, I love this wig. Like, the texture on here mimics my African American hair, and then it has natural kinks in it. It just looks so cute. And I did wash this hair And I did use my favorite shampoo. I love that shampoo. I'll have a picture linked right there, and I'll also have a link in the description box. I'm telling you, if you buy this shampoo and put it on your hair, you are gonna fall in love with the smell. And if you got a significant other, he's gonna love sniffing on your, not sniffing, but he gonna love smelling that on your hair. Like, just lay right next to him and like, hold on, I don't know why I just did that, but yeah, y'all get what I'm talking about. Some people, when it comes to the ends of their wig, they like it to be all thick at the ends. For this wig, it's gonna be like feather out. It's gonna, you know how pre-stretched hair is? That is how this is gonna look at the end. So do keep that in mind. To me, that's not kind. I like it like that. And the length is 22 inches. As far as shedding, I don't think I have any shedding. I just moved, so I don't see anything on my floor, but my floor is like golden tannish and this wig is like golden tannish, but that's not here or there. But what else, y'all? Oh, the cap. So the cap on this one is normal size. The cap on that black wig that I reviewed is big head friendly. This one is more on a normal side. It fits me perfectly. Like, I like this wig so much. So that is all I have to say. If I left out anything, please feel free to comment. I love you guys' comments. Y'all are so positive. Like, I just love y'all. Y'all like a distant friend. But yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And if my lighting is off, like, I'm in a dungeon, y'all, so I'm looking not like my actual color, but it's the lights that are in front of me. I'm like naturally, like, I'm not dark skinned, but I'm in between caramel and dark skinned. I'm in that shade in between. But thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.